how to swap crypto in your Trust Wallet. So if you want to swap crypto inside your Trust Wallet app, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is simply open up the Trust Wallet app and just make sure that you're basically signed into your Trust Wallet account. Once you're signed in, you simply need to navigate to the swap section within the Trust Wallet app. So go to the swap section. Now select the source network, the network from which you would like to swap from. Now you can go to this swap option and you can select a network from which you want to swap from. It could be Ethereum, Uniswap, or whatever else it is. Then after that, select the tokens you want to swap and specify the destination blockchain. So here you can select to which, and then you can simply select it and you can specify the destination. And after you've done that, you can simply enter the amount that you want to swap. And then you'll be able to get this much. Then you can tap on the swap option. Depending upon if you have it, then you'll be able to swap them. And this way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically swap crypto in your Trust Wallet. I hope that this video helps you. If you have got any more questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.